If you ever need to thread some pull rope through a conduit, then what you need is a plastic bag. Reinforce the handles so the string doesn't rip off when you lose the plastic bag in the middle of the piping. Get the pull cord laid out nice and straight so it doesn't snag, and make sure you have something on the other end, otherwise you could lose it. Next, just stuff the bag into the conduit that you wish to blow through. Get a leaf blower. Right, now hopefully at the other end we should have a plastic bag with a small bit of rope on, and we can pull a larger gauge rope through to and there we go. Happy days. Now we can thread the electric cable through with a stronger rope.